So other things that are useful to know about the toolbar, okay, not related to this particular maths problem that we have on screen, but the ability, for example, to insert a graph, because remember we said we have Desmos graphing. So we can go to our Desmos graphing and we'll just do a very basic level graph here, okay? So just to give us something to look at, we'll do a sine graph and we'll insert that, okay? So I will change this just to make it look a little bit bigger. So now we'll change this. We have now been able to plot a graph in Desmos. We can change the labels, we can change the scale, we can change the color. We could put as many variables into this as we wanted. So for example, we can change the X value to a variable and we can start to move it around and start to see how it transforms the graph as we go. And we can have as many layers of graphs on as we want. This works with Desmos. So if you have resources in Desmos, we can jump straight to the Desmos page and pop a complex Desmos graph directly into our document. So let's see how we might do that. I'm going to go here and I'm going to maths content and I'm going to go to, let's see, where's my Desmos? Okay, so I'm going to go to just Desmos. So this is one of my Desmos graphs right here. You'll see the sliders are here that we can change around some of the variables. But all I need to do to get this accessible is copy the URL. I'm going to go back into here and I'm just going to paste it. And there's my graph fully imported. I could even hear this graph back from an accessibility perspective. So I could put my audio trace on, and now I could listen to this as I go. Okay, so I could listen to this graph back. But what I want to do is I want to simply take the graph because I need it to be flexible for me in this document and insert it. And what happens is that graph now is taken, it's made accessible, it's made into an image, and now it's in my document. So I can create maths, I can create graphs in multiple ways, and I can also work with these third-party tools. So if I'm already using Desmos, this is really very useful.